Story, Happy Homes. Hello, little friends. Today, we're going to visit a tiny town filled with the happiest homes. Every home in this town has something special to share with us. Are you ready for our adventure? Let's explore together. This is Ben's red house. Ben loves playing with his puppy, Max. Their yard is always filled with laughter. Next is Mia's magical purple house. Every morning, she sprinkles magic on the flowers. That's why the whole street smells sweet. Here is Mr. Tom's brick house. He builds toys and swings for the children. Everyone loves his warm heart and skillful hands. This orange roof house belongs to Sara. She bakes the best bread in town. Her bread smells amazing every morning. Look, a tall tree house for the twin brothers, Leo and Liam. They climb, explore, and imagine great adventures. Their laughter echoes through the branches. This blue house belongs to Nora, the artist. She paints colorful skies and happy animals. Her paintings make the whole street brighter. Here is Mr. Felix's flower greenhouse. He grows rare plants and teaches kids how to care for them. The greenhouse is always warm and full of colors. This is Grandma Lucy's book house. Every afternoon, children come after school. They listen to her wonderful stories. Her stories make the whole street quiet and happy. When the sun begins to set, everyone gathers together. They talk, laugh, and share their day. Different homes, but one big happy family. Which home did you like the most? Would you live in the tree house, the fairy tower, or the bakery that smells so yummy? Remember, a home is special because of the love inside. Thank you for visiting our happy neighborhood.